Hey there, Joyce here. So in today's video, we're gonna review these two-tier pull-out cabinet organizer that I got. And this is mainly because I have a disaster right here on my under cabinet in my bedroom. So I'm gonna use this to organize everything right here because I have everything right here in this box and I really cannot access everything that I need. So I am going to be using these to have everything more accessible and more organized. I like sometimes a little bit of a contrast, but this time I prefer to get it in white color. Clear plastic. This one is clear, is in white. Okay, these parts that are to put different things within the plastic containers, so you can separate things. And these parts will be like the holders, so they can be in different tiers. Okay, so these parts are like the anti-slip silicone feet. Okay, so these are really easy to put in, so you just press it right here, and you will be doing the same thing in the 4 parts at the bottom, like so. And once that you have this part, we will be adding the rods right here. Okay, so here are the 4 rods, little holes right here, and I'm gonna put it. And of course you can add the other part, and this is how it looks. It looks really sturdy, it didn't fall off. So now let's just put the drawers right here. So if you have them right here, you just put these on the top and then you just slide it in. You can remove it like this as well, or you can just slide it like this. Okay, so here is the other one. Let's just put this one right here, and you can use these dividers if you want to use like so. Maybe you want to add another one this way and in a different one like this. Now you can see how different it looks with everything organized. And you can see how I use these dividers so it can separate from the bottles and other things, different categories, different stuff. So this is perfect. I love how neat it looks, and I still have some space right here to add some cleaning products.